Good morning, students. It is a computer science class of grade 11. It is the fourth lesson. The topic name is loop else. What is called loop else? The loop else suit will execute only in the case of normal termination of a loop. You see, this is called a for loop. Okay, fine. When this for loop will be normally finished. After the finishing case of this loop, this else will be executed. Listen, very simple. When the for loop will be normally executed, and after all the execution of for loop, this else case will be definitely executed. Understand? Okay, that's why they are telling only the execution of the normal termination of the loop, this loop else will be executed. Got it? Still now so many of you have some confusions. So now I will explain you clearly. Okay? Listen carefully. This for loop has the range value 1, 4. 1, 4 means how last class I explained you what is called range. So 1, 4 means the value is 1, 2, 3. You should not write 4 because 4 is the shocking end, so you should not write 4. So starting from 1 and ending before 4. So that's why I am writing 1, 2, 3. Okay. So in first round, okay, the A value is 1. Got it? Then you come here, the element is will be printed. So what is the output? Element will be printed. Then print the value of A. What is the value of A? A value is 1. So A value is 1. That's why here it will print the value 1. Got it? So element is 1 will be printed. Got it? Listen. Don't see the else case. Okay? You just try to solve this for loop fully. Okay? So after this statement executes, then the control flow will go to here. Okay? Now, what is A value? Now A value is what? Yes, it is 2. Now A value is 2. Come inside. Okay? Print. What will be printed? Element is will be printed. So in output, element is will be printed. Okay, then print A. What is the value of A? We know that A value is 2. So here we have to write 2. So here the element is 2 will be printed. Got it? Okay. Then you see when it comes to the last line, it will again go to the for loop. Okay. Now what is the value of A? The A value will be received by 3. Okay. So 3 value will be transferred to A. Now the A value is 3. Okay. Then it will come inside. Print element is. That means the output is what? It is nothing but element is will be printed. Then print the value of A. What is the value of A? It is nothing but 3. So it will be printed. Element is 3. This is all okay. Then now only you have to watch carefully. Please listen. Please listen. So now it will go to for loop. You see, the range value is 1, 2, 3. A access to 1 value, 2 value, and 3 value. Now A is trying to access the next value. Here there is no value. Okay. Since here no value, this for loop will be now. This entire for loop will be normally finished. Okay. Since here there is no value, okay, this for loop now it will be normally finished. When this for loop will be normally finished, now some something will be executed. Which will be executed? Yes, this else case will be executed. Okay, so how you see? When the loop will be normally terminated. Terminated means finished. When the loop is normally finished, this loop else will be executed. Which one is the loop else? Here this is for loop, this is else. So this else is nothing but what else? It is what else? Loop else. So this loop else will be executed now, so that it will print loop ended in normal way. Okay. So here what to print means it will print this one. So next line, loop ended in normal way. Got it? Very simple. You see, usually you know that if else, but this case is somewhat different. It is loop else. When this loop else will be executed, when this for loop will be execute, and then when it will be normally finished, no, at that time this else case will be executed. Got it? Shall we go for next question? Okay, right. Okay, students, now you see this for loop. Here I had introduced one if condition also with a break. Got it? So now you tell me, if I executed this program, what will be the output? Okay, so what will be the output? You have to guess and say, right? Okay, this is very simple. First you have to go to the for loop. Okay, so its range is 1, 4. That means what? Starting from 1 and ending before 4. So starting from 1 and 2, 3, and it has to be ending before 4. So you have to finish by 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it? Alright. In the first round, the A will receive the value 1. Am I right? Okay. So now A value is 1. Okay. So above the A, you have to write 1. Write 1. 1. You see, this is not a personalized symbol. In computer science, you have to say it is called modulus. 1 modulus 2. You see? 1 modulus 2. How you have to calculate means? See, very simple. The first number you have to write inside, and 2 you have to write outside. The 1 was divided by 2. Okay, so 2 ones are you can't make it. So 2 zeros are 0. Okay, the remainder is 1. Okay, so this modulus will give the remainder. What is that? This modulus, it will give the remainder 1. So ultimately 1 modulus of 2, the answer is 1. Okay, so if 1 is equal to 0, that means what? 1, 0, 2 equal on question mark. Okay, is it equal? It is not equal. Okay, so this condition is false. Okay, since this condition is false, this break statement will not execute. Okay, so listen. So it will come out of the if. It will print element is. Okay, fine. So it will print what? It will print element is. Okay, then print the value of A. What is the value of A? It is nothing but this one. Alright? Okay, so it will print the value of A is 1. Okay, so element is 1 will be printed. Okay, fine. You see, here is the for loop. Don't see about the else case. Okay, so here is the for loop going to be finished. After this line, after the last line of for loop, you have to draw like this. In the for loop last line, you have to keep a pencil here and you have to draw like this. Why? It's the next round. So A has to receive the next value. Which value is nothing but 2. Now A value is what? It is 2. Super. So it will come inside. So what is the A value? It is 2. So 2 percentage 2. 2 modulus 2 means what to do? 2 modulus 2 means 2 was divided by 2 such that 2 ones are 2 minus 2 minus 2 the answer is 0. So modulus gives the remainder. It is nothing but 0. Okay, fine. So ultimately this expression, this value is 0. This value is 0. So 0 equal to 0 means 0 equal on question mark. Is it equal? Yes. Now this condition is true. Since this condition is true, if only control error, it is nothing but break. You see what this break will do now? Very simple. Break is nothing but a jumper. It will jump outside. You see, the control flow will come out of the for loop. Very simple. Once the break executes, the entire for loop from the beginning to the end, this for loop will be finished. That's all. Once again, I will say, once this break is executed inside the for loop means this for loop will be fully terminated, fully finished. Got it? Okay. So since this condition is true, this break will be executed. What the break will do? This break will make this for loop will be entirely finished. That's all. No more for loop will be executed. Okay. The for loop will be started here and it's going to be ended here. The entire for loop is finished. That's all. And there is no more output. So this is the final output. The element is 1. This is the final output. Got it? Okay. Shall we go for next question? Okay, right. Okay, students. Now listen. You see, you had seen the same program in the previous class also. Now I have made some small changes. Can you able to identify? I have made some small changes. The same format is there, same else case is there. Okay, if condition is there, break also is there. But I have made some small changes. Okay, if you can able to notify means, then you are the genius. Can you able to identify? Okay, I will give you some time. You just find out what changes I had made. Your time starts now. I'll give you 5 seconds. Got it? Okay, now I'll tell you. Very simple. Still now you have seen loop else. Okay, for the past 2 classes you have saw that this else is a loop else. But now this else is not a loop else. Because, you see, can you see this line? If and else are in same level. Okay, you see in previous class, else will be wrote directly below the for. That else is called as loop else. This else is written directly under if. Okay, so this is called not loop else. This is not loop else. This is if else. Got it? Okay. Now you just take your notebook, take your pencil, and now you pause the video and try to find the answer for this one. I gave the worksheets regarding this one. You just try to solve it. Okay? Fine. Listen. Shall I teach you now? Okay. So now for A in range 1, 4. What is the answer? Yes. Starting from 1 and ending before 4. Such that 1, 2, 3. Simple. Now A value is 1. Okay, done. Super. Print element is such that in output you have to write 1. Element is, and this line is output, okay? Fine. And next, print A. What is the value of A? It is 1. So now here 1. Print 1. So that element is 1 will be printed. Okay. Now you come here. If A modulus of 2, I already told you, A modulus of 2 means what? 1 modulus of 2. That means 1 should be inside and 2 should be outside. So 2 zeros are 0. The remainder is 1. The modulus will give you the remainder 1. Okay. So the ultimate value of this one is 1. 1 and 0. Random equal or illaya. Equal means put tick mark. Not equal means put into mark. Yes, these two are not equal, so put into mark. The condition is false. This is a condition. This condition is false. Now, since this condition is false, this break will not execute. Super. Okay. So now else case will be executed. So now, I'm sorry. Yes. Listen carefully. Since this condition is false, this line will not be executed. Okay, such that this else is if else. So that now this else will be executed. Absolutely no doubt. Okay. So loop ended will be executed. Next line. Loop ended will be executed. Why this loop ended will be executed? Because this else belongs to if. You see, very simple. If else, ரெண்டுமே என்ன வச்சுக்கலாம். இது execute ஆகலனா this else will execute. This else execute ஆகலனா இது already execute ஆயிருக்கும். புரியுதா? Among these two, any one will be compulsory will be executed, no doubt. Since this is not executed, this will be executed. That's all. Okay, fine. Loop ended முடிஞ்சா? Okay. Now, for loop last line is this one. This line. So in this line, you have to take a pencil and you have to draw a loop. Okay. Now, what is A's next value? It will take the next value 2. So A's value is 2. Now, now print element is. That means what makes you that? So element is will be printed. Element is will be printed. Then print A. What is A value? It is 2. Super. So it will be printed 2. Okay. Now you come here. Listen carefully. A value is 2. 2 modulus of 2. I told you 2 modulus of 2. Okay. What's that? 2 divided by 2. Okay. So this 2 I have to put here, this 2 I have to put here. Got it? Okay. So 2 ones are 2, the remainder is 0. I told you this modulus will give the remainder 0. Okay. So ultimately this condition value is 0. Now you tell me this 0 and this 0 both are equal or not? Yes, this is equal. Okay. So that you have to put one tick mark such that this break will execute or not? Yes, this break is also executed. Okay, listen carefully. Very simple. Break only value only down. Once this break is executed, the whole for loop from the beginning to the end, this will be fully finished and there will be no output. Got it? Since this break is executed, that's all. No need to calculate anything. The output is finished. So element is 1, loop ended, element is 2. That's all. Got it? Okay, right. Shall I go for next question? Okay, right. Okay, students. Now you know about what is called loop else. Now you tell me this else is a loop else or not? There are two kinds of else is there. One is loop else, another one is if else. Okay, you tell me this is if else or loop else? Yeah, super. Since this else is directly below the while, so this else is here loop else. Super. So that when this else will be executed, when this while loop will be normally getting stopped, and that time this else will be executed. Okay. Now you pause the video and tell me what is the output. Shall we execute? Okay. Listen. While 3 is greater than 4, that means this condition is true or false. 3 is bigger. Yes, the condition is false. Since this while loop is normally finished, you see, normally finish agana break execute agala abdinale this while loop will be normally finished. Got it? Okay. When this while loop is normally finished, and that time, super, this else will be executed. Okay. So print exiting from while loop. That will be printed. What's the output? Exiting from while loop, and that's all, finished. Okay, so what I taught you, hope you understand. See you in the next class. Thank you very much.